This is a quick tutorial on how to get from the teacher calendar in Patterns Physics to Teacher Desmos activities. Teacher Desmos is great, but it's missing a lot of functionality. So my first suggestion for navigating, getting to activities in Teacher Desmos is to actually just go back to the teacher template calendar and find the activity. So for instance, the first one, pendulum experiment. Over here, teachers make a copy. I'm going to click on that and it will send me right to the activity in Teacher Desmos. So I'm there. Once I'm there, I would go over to assign, and I already have my classes made. If not, you'll have a little link to set up and name your classes. So I'm going to go ahead and assign it to first period. It's there. If I did want to hyperlink this to my period specific class website, I would click on these three dots, click on the student link, copy this, and paste it into that folder or into the class website page. Now, if you customize these or you just simply go straight to teacherdesmos.com, this is the landing page. Again, a little bit hard to navigate. So once you have your classes set up, you will actually use the manage classes. I'll go ahead and click on that just to show you first period, view activity history, and there you can see the pendulum experiment. Now, again, I'll go back to home. If you just went to Teacher Desmos and you haven't assigned it to your class yet, you're going to need to go down to your activities, custom. And you probably won't have quite as many activities as I do, but you would scroll through the 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 you may have. I'm here, I'm back at the pendulum experiment. I can click on it, and again, I could go to assign. This time I'll assign it to second period, and there you can see it's assigned to both of them. Once I have the students there from that student link, I'll click on View Dashboard so that I can monitor their progress and guide them. That's the basics of how to get from the Patterns Physics teacher template calendar to Teacher Desmos activities. Further tutorials will show how to navigate within the activity and our common tools and what we use.